At Exley, we specialise in heavy haulage, removals and installations. With over 100 years of experience in transporting some of the largest and most complex loads, we ensure every step is handled with precision and care. Each load begins with careful planning and secure loading. Our team of experts ensures that every piece of machinery is safely prepared for its journey. From oversized industrial equipment to sensitive machinery, Exley has the experience to transport it all. At Exley, we understand the importance of timely delivery and safety throughout the entire process. With a fleet of specialised vehicles and experienced drivers, we transport your equipment across vast distances, ensuring a smooth and efficient journey. Heavy haulage machines, removals and installation you can trust. Exley can provide turnkey solutions for all heavy lifting, transport, installation and industrial storage requirements.